Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to add text in Blender. First steps: delete the default cube, then Shift A to add the text, then tap to go to the edit mode. Okay, we can write something, type something positive like this. Beautiful. Okay, enter. Tap to come back to the object mode. Now we can attach this text to the curves. For example, the circle. Shift 8 and curve circle. Then select the text, go to the modifiers, deform modifiers, select the curves. Now select the object you want to touch it. That you have it, the text attached to the curves. Then we can select the curves and make adjustment to the text. Then to make the text get the 3D looks, we can select the text, press right click, press adjustment instruction. Now your text is in the 3D space. I hope this will help you with something that you wanna build in Blender. Thank you for watching. See you next time.